my channel, Key Amber Rose. I'm Amber, and today's tutorial is very special to me because it's my birthday and I am doing a birthday bead. And because I got a brand new palette today, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina 4 palette. As you know, I'm a big Anastasia Beverly Hills fan, so when this palette dropped, I just had to get it. This palette, the Norvina 4, has 25 beautiful shades. Most of the shades are pink and warmer shades. It doesn't really have any cool shades in this palette, but that's fine. And I'm really loving the color scheme, and I also love that there are some fun glittery shades to play with as well. I'm going to show you in this clip where I swatched all 25 shades on my hand and the colors that I used in today's look, this look that I'm rocking right now, are C4, D4, and E3. So if you want to see my Norvina 4 birthday bead, stay tuned for my birthday bead tutorial. Okay, so before I begin, my concealer, foundation, and setting powder is already applied. Okay, so for step 1, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using it as a base for my eyeshadow today, and it's in the color white, and I'm applying it into a wing shape where I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. Nothing's ever enough, even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do. This is what it looks like after I have just used the LA Girl Pro Concealer to create a base for my eyeshadow. And now it is time to move on to step 2, and I get to pull out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina 4 palette. So the first shade I'm going to be using is this color C4, and it's this beautiful lilac purple color, and I'm going to be using a dry eyeshadow brush and applying it to the outer end of my guideline, which is my outer eye area. Nothing's ever enough, even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've just applied the color C4. And now I'm going to be applying the color D4, this color right here. And I'm going to be applying it to my inner guideline area. Try so hard, nothing's ever enough, even if I try so hard. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have just applied the pink shade D4. And for the next step, for step 4, I'm going to be applying the color E3 over D4. is what it looks like after I just applied the shade 83 from the ABH Norvina 4 palette. And for the next step, for step 5, I know this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills based product tutorial, but I can never have enough glitter. So for the next step, I'm actually pulling out my 24A Morphe Artist Pass palette, and I'm just going to be using one shade on my eyes because this shade has star glitter in it. So I'm just going to be using this shade Spotlight Stealer, and I'm going to be applying it over C4. And in today's tutorial, I'm actually using a silicone brush when I apply glitter product onto my eyes, whether it's glitter eyeshadow or loose glitter, because it picks up the product really easily and makes it really easy to apply over the eyeshadow. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have just applied the Spotlight Stealer, the star glitter from the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. And to apply it on nice and neat, I actually used some Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and I just put a top coat over the stars to hold them there in place. Okay, so this is what it looks like after all the eyeshadow and eye glitter is applied. And for the next step, for step 7, I'm going to be using some liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying it to the top lid and the bottom of my eye to create a winged look. It looks like after the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner is applied, and I created a wing look with it. And for the next step, for step 8, I'm going to be applying some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara to add some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. It looks like after I've just applied on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. And for the next step, I'm going to be applying some highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And the shade I'm going to be using is the shade Gumdrop, and I'm just going to be applying the shade Gumdrop to my cheekbone areas. And I'm using this Sephora Pro Demi brush to apply it because of the beautiful fanned out shape it has, so it catches my cheekbone area perfectly. This is what it looks like after the highlighter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit Gumdrop is applied. And for the next step, I'm just going to be applying on some blush. And I'm going to be using the Black Up No. 2 blush. And I know you guys have seen me use this blush before. It's a beautiful pinkish purple, I would say magenta shade. And I really love to apply it when I use pink and purple eyeshadows. So it looks like after the Black Up blush and the color No. 2 has been applied. And for the next step, I'm going to be applying ABH Liquid Lipstick in the color Radiance. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have just applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Vintage. And now my makeup is complete. I have on eyeshadow, glitter, eyeliner, highlighter, blush, and lipstick. So for the last step, I'm going to be setting the look with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray in Sweet Peach. I usually use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, but this one smells so nice and peachy, I had to use this one today. Now my birthday beat. I hope you have fun watching my birthday beat tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, you can show some love below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, loves, and stay beautiful.